How to forget Wi-Fi network in your Google TV and Astron. And okay guys, here in your Google TV homepage, in your remote, press the gear icon or settings. And you can see on the left side the settings menu. Here in settings menu, click the gear icon. Here in settings, go to network and internet. And I connect to this network. So, okay, Nalia Abere. Okay, to forget this network to my Google TV, Astron, okay, you'll have to do is go to the left and go to below. You can see the forget network here. Okay, you can click this and you can see the OK button here. Click OK to forget this Wi-Fi network on your Google TV Astron. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.